I'm going to show you how to make doll face mask with paper and thin twine that is made by me with thread. So let's get started. For this we need a scissor, a Fevicol, you also use glue sticks, a scale, a piece of paper, you can use any color, two thick twines, thread, one sketch and one doll. For that we need a doll. First we need a doll and a piece of paper. You can use any color. I can tell these dimensions. This side is 3.2 centimeters. This is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. And this curved part is 5 centimeters. These thick two threads are 3.5 centimeters each. First we want to place this paper piece on our Barbie's mouth. Second, we need our thread and place it behind our Barbie's ear, and we need to mark that place. We have to apply Fevicol with marker. We want to mark. I am going to this, okay, and this. Okay, now we want to place some Fevicol on it. This here, one drop of Fevicol here and one drop of Fevicol here. Okay, and now we want to stick it here behind the piece of paper. See, like this. And now the second side, I'm in the second corner. First, see guys, I pasted both sides and our doll mask is ready. See, from side it is looking like plastic, so I choose white one, so it look like elastic, and it also look like elastic, and it's not washable because that's made it by paper, made it with paper, and it's joined with Fevicol, so it's not washable. But in future, I also tell you how to make face mask, washable face mask with clothes. Okay, guys, if you like my video, so give a big thumbs up and subscribe to